Have you ever wondered how to create fresh aloe vera gel in your own kitchen? Today, we will guide you through a simple process to make this natural remedy at home. Aloe vera gel is well known for its soothing properties. It is commonly used to treat sunburns, moisturize dry skin, and even promote hair health. To begin, you will need a fresh aloe vera leaf. You can either harvest one from a plant you have at home or purchase it from a local market. Start by selecting a thick, healthy leaf from the outer section of the plant. These leaves usually contain the most gel. Rinse the leaf thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or debris. After cutting the leaf, you might notice a yellowish substance seeping out. This is called aloin, which can irritate the skin. To remove it, place the leaf upright in a bowl and let it drain for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the leaf has drained, it is time to extract the gel. Lay the leaf flat on a cutting board and carefully trim off the serrated edges using a sharp knife. Next, slide your knife just under the surface to remove the top layer of skin, revealing the clear gel beneath. Use a spoon to gently scoop out the transparent gel and transfer it into a clean bowl. At this point, you have pure aloe vera gel. To achieve a smoother consistency, we will blend it. Pour the gel into a blender and blend for a few seconds until it becomes frothy and liquid. If you plan to store the gel for more than a week, consider adding natural preservatives. Adding a few drops of vitamin E oil not only extends the shelf life, but also enhances the gel's skin-nourishing properties. Blend the mixture briefly to combine. Transfer your homemade aloe vera gel into a sterilized, airtight container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it can stay fresh for up to 2 weeks. Now, you have your own natural aloe vera gel, perfect for soothing skin irritations, moisturizing, or even as a hair conditioner. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe for more DIY health and beauty tips. See you next time.